Good morning, all of you. Myself Sandeep Varashar, and I am welcoming you online classes, computer class, 10th class. 10th class, we are reading part A, unit 2nd, stress management. In this, we are reading session 2nd, ability to work independent. How to achieve goals from ourselves. In this, I told you 3 steps of being relevant. In this first step, self awareness, I already finished. Now I am going to start my second step, self motivation. Self motivation drive a person to attempt and accomplish task. Self motivation means we motivate ourselves. We need to achieve it. Sometimes we need to say to ourselves, we need to do it. This is known as self motivation. We need to create planning about ourselves. This is come in the self motivations. 4 elements that keep a person motivated are personal drive to achieve, means we want to achieve anything. Commitment to personal or organization goals. Sometimes commitment for our organization, we need to do it for our organization. It will improve, then we will improve. Initiative or readiness to act on opportunities. Sometimes we feel some opportunities and we need to complete it. Optimize, which is ability to continue and pursue goal in the face of. Sometimes we are in the face of mood, we need to show someone, then we need to make it self motivated. Self motivation had 2 types, intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic means if we are doing anything for ourselves, for just only for enjoying, nothing for showing anyone, it will come in the intrinsic. We are doing for our satisfactions, like participating in a sport because we find the activity enjoyable, cleaning our room because we like tidying up, exercise because we want to relieve stress. This is for ourselves, our satisfaction. Extrinsic motivation, it refers to the behavior of a person that is driven by ourselves for rewards, money, power and good grades. Example of this, participating in a sport to win a reward. If we want to win a reward, we will do it. This is not for our satisfaction, this is for rewards. Cleaning our room to prepare for visitors coming over, this is also compulsions. Exercise to lose weight, this is compulsions. Some skills that are used in self motivations. First, setting high but realistic goals. I already told you we need to find out realistic, not imagination. Taking an appropriate level of risk, we need to take risk sometimes. Looking for constant feedback in order to improve. In feedback, I already told you we need to take a feedback, it will very good for our improvement. Being committed to personal or organization goals, always be constant. Utilizing opportunities, if you get it any opportunities, you need to use it. Continuing to pursue goals despite setbacks, we need to move on for our goals. Motivated individuals are capable of motivating others. If we motivate ourselves, then we can motivate others. Now next is self regulation. Self regulation means understand and manage ourselves. If we feel good, then we can do it very good for anything, and we need to motivate ourselves. It will come in the self regulation, means we need to regulate ourselves. Self regulation is the ability to understand and manage our reaction to the things happening around us. It is requires self awareness, emotion intelligence, efficient filtering of sensory stimulations. It is used to remove stress, relating well to others and sustaining focus. We can focus through these ideas. Self regulation involves being able to control reactions to emotion like frustration or excitement. Sometimes we feel frustration, so we need to control it. If we feel frustration is steady, then we need to motivate ourselves. This is come in the self regulation. Calming down after something excitement or upsetting. Sometimes we feel excitement, focus on a task, always be focused. Refocus attention on a new task. Sometimes we focus our new assignments. Get along with everyone else. We need to connect with everyone else. Importance of self-regulation. Self-regulation helps people to behave in social acceptable way. It helps people in making friends. Self-regulation allows children to share anger in appropriate manner. Sometimes we are angry, but we don't know how to share it. So we can share it. It makes people more independent as it enables them to make to the right decision about their behavior, them how to behave in different situation without any guidance. Sometimes our behavior is very important in atmosphere, how we behave. It helps in managing stress. If we are regulating ourselves, then we never feel stress because we are doing everything according to our desires, our motivations. We always motivated ourselves, then we didn't take any stress. So we can say that the fundamental of being independent are the ability to work on our own with minimum direction, self-confidence, self-awareness, self-motivation and self-regulation. It teaches us how to respond to the difficult situations. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.